accept the results, and I've congratulated my competitor who has won, and I wish them the best. So there will be a lot of blame games that are going to be played. And people are going to say, oh, it is because, Baba did not do as much as he expected. Oh, it's because Baba is now tired, because he's too old. All sort of things. That maybe because those people used more money than they used. Oh, Ruto just wanted to humiliate Baba. It was not genuine in saying that he was supporting him and so on and so forth. But I made the decision myself and announced that I wanted to run for this position myself. Ruto only came and said he was going to support me when I really met. And I want to say that President Ruto did everything possible. Support this campaign. They gave me all the logistical support that you needed. That enabled me to travel around the length and the breadth of the continent, and made an appointment for me to meet all the leaders around the continent. And I met all of them. And actually we were sure we'll win. But as I say, other factors have come into play. And those factors are going to come out and will be known. So we are here where we are, but let us not regret. Not time for lamentation. On Monday, they had organized a prayer meeting for me at the Bomas of Kenya, the women, orange women. And I told them, we go there, we win, tukishinda, tutaselebrate. Tukishindwa, tutashinda, tutaselebrate. Tukishinda, tutashinda. Tukishindwa, tutashinda. So tumeshinda. Tumeshinda. And therefore I will not regret it. I will walk with my head tall. There will be another time, and there are so many other things that are available for us to do. So I thank you very much for sacrificing your time, your resources to come and be with me at this hour. Thank you very much. This is a speech that I was not prepared to make. I was not prepared to make this speech, and therefore I'm very reluctant. But I want to begin by thanking all of you. You made me so proud. That you have traveled all the way from Kenya to Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, to be with Baba at this moment in time. It is something. I saw some of our people from Mandera, our chairman of Mandera Nuskilo. Is still around? Nuskilo, Is around. They came by bus all the way from Kenya up to here. It's a real sign of dedication and commitment. So I'm so touched and so moved.